That's going underneath what you just did?
Right underneath what I just did.
All right.
One take. What do you think?
Let's see.
1, 4.
Did I miss the first note right off the bat?
That doesn't count.
No.
Mulligan. Go.
1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh,
Did I get it?
I think
See
so.
that fancy finger work?
I did. We got all of it.
Goodbye, camera. I'm gonna miss you a lot.
Oh.
CJ's playing the djembe. We're doing our Latin soul album right now. Or I'm doing my Latin soul album. CJ's doing my percussion.
Recording for the new Ricky Martin.
Yeah. We're trying a different thing. Right, Alex? Trying a different feel. But
Give it a shot. Practice through it.
can I just give him right when that part comes in, down, 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 down. Hit it once to emulate a bass drop, like boom, down, 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 down. You know what I mean? No, but I'm just saying that's the one suggestion. That's the only thing that I would really like to hear in the